Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. This is an update video for Cryptohopper robot Alpha 1 Crypto Trader. You can use this robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up here right now and you can get 7 days completely for free using this robot. You just need to connect it with your broker. In my case, I have connected it with KuCoin because KuCoin works worldwide. You find link below the video for KuCoin also. Now let's take a look at these trades that have been taken. As you can see, we are only in red. And to be quite frankly, it's not so strange. We can take a look at Ethereum, and you can see when we started the robot, we were around here, and you can see we have fallen more down. And currently, you can see that we are breaking even more down, looks like. So it's basically cryptocurrency right now. It's not doing so hot. My plan is to pump in more money into cryptocurrency, so we have more to put into the different type of coins. As you can see now, we have used $606, so we basically have like $120-ish left to use. As you can see, my balance is a little smaller. I did yesterday transfer $25 to my daughter so she could get started also. So currently this is what we have going on. We closed one trade yesterday and one trade the day before, so we made some small profit there. And this is how it will be a little. I think we'll see much red now, but now is the time to put in more money because we will make a lot of money with this going forward. So you can see Link, for example, we have as much as $103 into Link, and we are running currently in 9.72% minus. But like I said, all this will pop out very fast, and then we'll make some good money, of course. And we will always just run these robots in the background, and when we come into a bull market again, all will be green all the time, and we will basically just print money again. So this is, in my case, I see this as just a good thing. All this will pop out. So, but currently, yes, can be a little boring because not that much is happening from day to day. Okay. So, like I said, you can use this robot also, link below the video. But for my settings, I have not done anything, but for new users, we can just go fast through it and you can pause the video anytime. Basic settings is just the name, basically. Exchange, as you can see, is KuCoin. Putting the IP addresses here, that is smart to do, so you have a whitelist your IP address. Notifications, I don't use that. Buy, basically here is my buy settings. Coins are basically chosen just the best coins that you find in CoinMarketCap. That means the ones that is traded the most, the ones with most value. This is so I don't hold a coin that will go down in value and no one is selling or buying on the price I get, and it's better to keep the good coins. Strategy, I basically have this strategy I use at 1 hour. I have stochastic together with bulge band and just the basic settings. Okay. Trading, I'm not using that for now. Sell setting, I have taking profit at 1% at market price. Sell strategy, I don't use that. We don't use stop loss. It's something I might look into in the future, but for now I don't use it. We don't use trail stop loss, we don't have an auto clause, and we don't use shorting, and we don't use dollar cost average. We'd rather have another settings that, so when we come, every time we go down to 10%, we buy in with the same amount. It's a safer way so we can get in many times instead of double up every time. Maybe double up could have got us out of some trades, but I don't like that. For some reason I don't like it. I'd rather want to go in many times. So that's basically the settings we have, and I hope we can get a small boost up so we can get out of the trades, so we can have some little more action here again. But currently I'm happy. This is for me, it's more a hobby thing right now. It's just when I get some more balances, my target is to make around $100 a day, and I think we'll get there. Will maybe take a little time, but we will get to that level. So that's the update for this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope we start to see some green numbers again very soon. So with that, have an amazing day.